Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a smooth and creamy milk pudding with just a few simple ingredients. It's soft, lightly sweet, and perfect for any time you want an easy homemade dessert. Let's start the recipe. First, pour 2 cups milk into a pan. Milk is a good source of calcium for strong bones and teeth. Add 1/4 cup milk powder, 3 tablespoons sugar. Pour in 1/4 cup condensed milk. Mix well until the milk powder is completely dissolved. Mix everything until smooth. Now add 2 teaspoons agar powder. Whisk again to make sure there are no lumps. Agar is a plant-based setting ingredient made from seaweed. Place the pan over low heat. Cook on low heat while stirring continuously for a silky texture. Cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. Keep stirring continuously. Once the mixture starts to boil, continue stirring. Cook until the agar powder is fully dissolved and the mixture becomes smooth. Make sure the agar dissolves completely before turning off the heat. Turn off the heat. Carefully pour the mixture into a 7-inch mold. Let it cool slightly at room temperature. Now refrigerate it for 1 hour until completely set. After chilling, finish by dusting a little milk powder over the top. Whisk the milk powder well to avoid lumps. Always chill the pudding until fully set before removing it from the mold. Milk pudding can be served plain or topped with fresh fruits, nuts, or chocolate syrup. Your soft, creamy homemade milk pudding is ready to serve. Your homemade milk pudding is ready. It's soft, creamy, lightly sweet, and melts beautifully in every bite. Serve it chilled and enjoy the simple dessert with your family and friends. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more delicious dessert, baking recipes, and simple homemade treats.